On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang. What is going on? Happy Monday, everybody. Let's get into it, baby. Pink Box, paying us on the weekends, man. Paying us on those weekends. I need you guys to put some ones in the chat. If the stream is healthy, happy, not lagging, no buffering, no spinning circles, I just need you guys to let me know. Put a 1 in the chat if the stream is a smooth criminal. Let me know. Let's go. We back. I don't know what the issue was. Maybe it was the wind. Maybe it was the polar bear chewing on the wires out back there. Oh man. We need to name the polar bear. Oh, I got something to show you guys. My mom sent me this. We got some otters here. This is a stuffed otter here, right? Otters on their back with their little pup, right? That's my son there. Baby otter. She sent me this. Okay, it was pretty cool, man. World Wildlife Foundation. So we've adopted a sea otter family. We got this big brochure on sea otters. I could read it to you. It says, "Otterly adorable." Okay. Got a whole... I don't know if this is going to show. Yeah, there it is. Got the whole sea otter adoption thing. Supporting otters is what we do here. There's a good deed of the day. Look at that. Otter gang. We're probably taking it too far, but that's what we do here on the AlexOCrypto Show. We take whatever you're thinking and we say it out loud without hesitation. It's kind of how we roll. Zero filter. Showing you the trades, taking the trades. This is going to dump. Solana's already leading the way. Yeah, there it is. SFP, bearish divergence, SFP, rolling over. This is going to roll over. Just a bit aggressive last night. I mean, last night you guys got very aggressive with that pink box down here. My God. The best Discord in all of crypto. 6 spots left, I believe. I think there's 6 spots left for the code boobs. 6 spots. Not even lying. If I was a liar, you wouldn't be here. Right? 6 spots. That's it. Boobs. Do the math. Anyways. So Adam and Eve, not Adam and Steve, coming in through here. I don't care if you're Adam and Steve either. You do whatever you want. But this is rolling over. This looks nasty. This looks nasty. Just too much gaps below, in my opinion. So we'll see what we get. A little bit of enticement this morning. We'll see how this materializes for the rest of the day. You guys in your pink boxes, man. It's another. I mean, last weekend too, man. Last weekend we hit 2 pink boxes, right? Right? 2. It's very It's very important that you don't hit 2 boxes on the weekend and get caught, okay? Like, you don't need to tell anybody. Like, if you're going to do it, if you're going to make sure you're hitting 2 pink boxes on the weekend, make sure at least you're not at a very big popular concert, and I highly suggest you're careful. Okay. What an idiot. Sure, that was a great song. I don't think he knew that was going to be his outro song. Oh, man. You are now internet famous. I mean, damn. If only I had like a respectable job, I could be probably, canned too, but I'm my own boss, which is pretty cool. What's going on, gang? Good to see you. Good morning. Okay, enough of that. Keen Bean, what's going on? I can't see you up there. Musa? They still haven't fixed the names, everybody. Good to see you guys. Duality. Good morning. Shrian, Marion, Primo, Bearded Mac, Mike. My man, what's going on, Triple? Good to see you guys. Simeon, Steve Hickey, good morning. Loco, Mark Gustafson, good morning, guys. That one guy, man. Mr. Jung, Shantae, what's going on, DG? Go G13, Hawa. Rolling over here. This is going to go down. Oh, my God. This is definitely going down. Let's see how it reacts on VWAP here. Nice little dump Pirelli here. Nice little dump Pirelli here. Oof. Solana needs to come back. Oof. Oh, man. It might need to come back here. Damn. We took the trade here last night. This was so fantastic. Got bearish divergence, SFP. Roll over here. Damn. Solana. Considering a Solana short here, guys. Maybe we get a little slappy here. Maybe we can take it down to here. This is good morning volume. I like the morning volume. A little wick test here. Maybe. Let this push. Let it sweep first. I don't want to get too overly excited here, guys. Bitcoin needs to come lower as well. We got VWAP support here. This is kind of, I feel like we're supporting it. We're shorting it into possible SFP. Never mind that thought, okay? It's Monday. Bear with me. Because if we're going to slap here, we could slap and go kind of deal, especially with VWAP here, with Bitcoin. NASDAQ is, oof, my God. NASDAQ leading the way last night. Consolidation, chopsolidation. My heart goes out to those who are harmed at the Bondi Beach. I've been to Bondi Beach like 5 times, guys. I used to live right nearby Bondi Beach where that horrible tragedy happened yesterday. And that's horrible. It's horrific. It's horrific, man. So my thoughts and prayers go out to the families that were affected by that. And yeah, there's no place for that, for those people. It's the most popular beach in all of Sydney, Australia. Bondi. What a bunch of effing cowards, in my opinion. SFP on Solana. So my thoughts and prayers go out to those people who are affected. It's absolutely horrific. Horrific. Anyways, I'll try to stay away from that stuff, but you gotta keep people like that in your thoughts and prayers, especially when tragedy strikes. Skull Tattoo. Good morning, Blackie Chang. I touch snow every day, man. Skull Tattoo. Thank you, everybody, for letting me know the stream is healthy and happy. It looks like we are running smooth today. Okay, no trade here. There's that SFP bounce on Solana. See? Overextended. You see red candle, you get a little bit trigger happy, right? It's always good to check yourself before you wreck yourself, right? Sniper's Nightmare, good to see you, man. How you doing? Tata, Webson, good morning. John, DZ, shorting Solana, scalpy move. Good morning, King. Thank you guys for being here, saying good morning. That's the only thing we really require. We got like 200 people in here, 54 likes. But I don't see 200 good mornings. That's all I want to see is 200 good mornings. Chadwick, you can hit the like button if you want. King Froggle, good morning. Gang, gang, gang. Rashad, that one guy, good morning, guys. Good to see you. There's that pushback. There's the pushback. Now, front running that VWAP, of course. Good morning, Hot King. Andrew Cameron. This guy's name, I can't say that. Can anybody try and say that? Yeah. Any family fun this weekend? Well, we were gonna go skating yesterday, but it rained. It rained in Canada. Yeah, it's supposed to be snowing, but it rained. So we were gonna go skating on a big open lake, an absolute massive lake in the mountains, and we didn't end up going because it was raining. I went and picked up a sleigh, a toboggan. This thing's gangster, man. I picked up this sled for my son. It was really good. I mean, we never had sleighs like this back in my day. Back in my day, we never had a sleigh like this. Really cool. It was a really cool one. This one. I got this one. Look at this thing, man. This is like Kris Kringle's. This is Kris Kringle's. I got this for my son. It was on sale. I just went and picked up a massive. This is in my living room right now. I pull my son around in it. So instead of going to the ice and pulling my son around on the skating rink, giant lake, I pulled him around in the living room, which was lots of fun. And then I did the whole the roller coaster ride thing. I don't know if it shows my son here. I don't want to bait him out. Here we go. So you do here's me and my son. And we're doing the roller coaster ride in the living room here. Down the hill. Got to do the turns and everything. Whee! We were having a good old time, man. It was fun. That was lots of fun, man. That was lots of fun. He loved it. That shit is heavy, man. Holding that, trying to do the rumble pack. I gave him I did the Rumble pack, you know, like the N64 attachment Rumble pack, you know that one? Good fun. Oh, look at good thing we didn't short this shit. My God. Holy sh- Don't touch Solana right now. This is highly manipulated. Holy smokes, Batman. Lots of fun. Lots of fun, man. I mean, that's why I say touch some grass, touch some ass. You know, the Discord was able to take the pink box last night. I like this push from Solana. My God, both ways. This thing's going both ways. My God. Solana up into this resistance here. Maybe we can get a follow through trade here. It was very manipulated this morning. Maybe we can get a retest continuation here on Solana. Just up to here. Quick scalp. Considering a long here. It would have to be kind of like a slap and go here. It's Bitcoin. Bitcoin's rolling over a little bit here. Bitcoin's got a push here. Solana looks like it wants to push as well. See the 1 minute? Just up into these highs here. That'd be great, wouldn't it? Bitcoin's got a push here. Even like a 1-to-1 here. Is Bitcoin pushing or no? Bitcoin's not pushing. Bitcoin's got a push here. No trade yet. That's nasty, nasty wickage here. John Wick's grandmother lives here for sure. Bitcoin looks weak. No trade here. Still waiting. What's going on, everybody? How's everybody's weekend? Hopefully you all had a wonderful weekend. 12-foot piece of drywall. Once you dip the sides and weigh it 3 times, that slay. Oh man. Yeah, that ain't no namby-pamby slay. That's strong. No trade here on Solana. Still waiting. Push, consolidation, pump and dump like 3 times here, guys. Pump and dump. Coming back, retesting. NASDAQ. My God, look at this thing opening up. ETH rolling over. Bitcoin rolling over. Yeah, this still suggests it needs to come down here. No need to top blast Solana just yet. I would like Solana to come for these highs over here, though. We didn't fully tap this guy, interestingly enough. Still waiting here. Support level, trying to hold here. Maybe a VWAP slap here on Bitcoin. It's welcomed. 263 people here. Thank you guys for smacking those like buttons, subscribing if you're new. Handy, what's going on? Thank you for the kind comment there, Handy. I think Handy left a nice testimonial the other day. He said, look at this. All these people. Started trading 8 months, got wins and losses when I joined the Otter gang. My God, was able to manage risk and trade with. Since I had a little amount of trading, tiny bits turned out to be a bomb. I really can't express how thankful I am. I was jumping around different groups. And only this one showed me how to trade and when not to trade. Touch some grass, touch some ass. Love it. Sit on a wanking chariot. The best technique I've learned is the orb retest in Soul Hack. Forever grateful. Plywood. Thank you so much. JMB. There we go. Love it. Love it, man. Afgus Johnson. Good to see you, man. Wild Deuces. I do like the short on Soul. It's looking like a good retest. Just very choppy, so it's not something I'm typically going to take here. Very choppy. Aggressive dump, aggressive pump. Bitcoin rolling over. Suggests lower. So I'll wait here. I'll wait here. NASDAQ rolling over a little bit. ETH rolling over. Okay, so everything looking a little bit dumpy right now. Bitcoin coming into VWAP right now. Market Cipher is starting to bottom here on our 12-minute, which is a good sign for a potential bounce. Potential. Trigger wave down. Pump and dump. 12-minute here. Trying to go. Trigger wave. Nasty. Trying to bounce here. Thanks for the testimonials, guys. That's awesome. I do appreciate you guys. Good morning, Magic Mike. Good to see you. Here comes that slap and go. Can we slap and go? SFP. Here's the slap. I'm going to stay away from this trade today, guys. This is something typically I take, but the liquidity is down here. You'd need to have a fat stop loss. Let's put it that way. Stalling out. NASDAQ slap and go as well. Nice pushback here. Solana rolling over. Bitcoin rolling over. No bounce. No bounce. Looks like it's coming for the liquidity in these lows, guys. Volume coming in. Halfway down the candle retest here. Little 5-minute wick test. No, 8-minute. Halfway down the candle, trying to push out here. Yeah, still no touchy. Still no touchy. Got bull div in here trying to push out. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Put a 3 in the chat if you took the pink box last night. My God, what a trade given in the Discord. That beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pink box, man. That was so good. If you're not aware, the pink box is the best box. This was in the Discord last night. Everybody was able to long out of this area. The best Discord in all crypto. I mean, could it get any better? I mean, you came in, you did your thing, yeah, and you left. And then you got paid. And then you got paid. Nothing better. This is our Discord's the only time when the pink box pays you. Okay? Need to see some strength here from Bitcoin. Oh, here we go. Go, Biddy, go. Be free. Yeah, it just wasn't for me, guys. Yeah. Not for me. Nice push here. -3. Dusty. Skiing is good. French Toaster, Wayne, what's going on? Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Magic Mike, good morning. Jay Violet, good to see you. Handy. You changed my trading view. I never had that experience. Thanks, man. Smash the likes, says John Foster Crypto. Let's go. Smash those likes, guys. What's going on? What's with the no likes smashed? I thought we were family here. Chop solidation. NASDAQ looking a little bit weak. Bitcoin trying to push out a VWAP here. Bullish divergence here, trying to push out. 12-minute. Yeah, this looks good on 12-minute. We got like double bottom moose knuckle here, so trying to push out. 24 trigger wave, yeah. 1 hour. That's the warning sign right there. That's the warning sign. The 1 hour looks nasty. The 2 hour looks strong. So you got conflicting this morning. Solana here. Solana looks strong. Very sporadic, but looking strong. 12-minute green dot trying to print. Money flows really nice on Solana. 24 trying to push. 1 hour. Same trigger wave. 2 hour. Same strength, right? So conflicting again. So trying to push here, but need some oomph. Bitcoin's got to go. If Bitcoin goes here, great. Bull div here trying to push out. Coming into 8:30 this morning. Thank you everybody for being here. We'll do some top-down analysis and stuff like that as well. We just had our weekly candle close, which actually printed a green dot, guys. Magically printed a green dot. Who would have thought? We would have got a green dot on the weekly printing? So we shall see. It's probably going to be a interesting week. We do have a plethora of job information. If we look here on our economic calendar, really trying to prepare ourselves, but we got today is a pretty blank day, which is good. We have a couple of U.S. things and Canadian inflation rate. It's just shockingly shite anyways, man. I don't think that's going to really affect the market coming in here. Whatever they are, it's up. Okay, I'll tell you, it's groceries up, everything is up. Okay, up. This is a lie. month over month is coming down. That's total horseshit. I tell you that. This is the biggest lie in the world. Mind my French, but it is. It's extortionate here. It's extortionate. Okay. However, I digress. It's Canada. You guys don't care. However, we have non-farm payrolls, retail sales, unemployment rate coming in. Very important unemployment rate reading coming in on Tuesday. Very important. VIP. Okay. Wednesday, retail sales. Core inflation on Thursday. So very data-driven week, which means what? Protect your capital at all costs. Very volatile, very flat until it's not flat, right? It's going to be choppy and poppy. You can expect. We had how many did we say last week? 13 Bart Simpsons last week. It was the Bart Simpson world. Right? What's Bitcoin doing here? My God, stalling out hardcore. It's kind of lame here. Sitting here just chilling. Solana too. Nasdaq's ripping. Trying to go. That gives me some hopium. ETH's trying to bounce here. Can ETH lead the way? That is the question. Can ETH grow a pair? We'll see. Bitcoin doesn't have any oomph, man. Solana has more oomph than Bitcoin. I like to see Solana take this high here. I don't like Solana when it's doing this stuff because it's like Rec Central, especially for scalping. We'll see. Bitcoin rolling over here. So top-down analysis, when taking a look at Bitcoin, what do we have? We have a very clear, defined chop range, okay, very clearly when we're looking at this stuff. So what we must understand is where we're at, what we're looking for. We got a nice bounce yesterday, and that's cool, but at the end of the day, we're looking at kind of this thing here. So when we look at this, we are potentially putting in the head and shoulders here. We do have our beautiful regression trend that we can go from here to here. We can see we're at the lower part of this trend, okay? We had a beautiful bounce out of our pink box last night where we all managed to get long dong silvered, okay, which was great. Great call on the Discord. We were very prepared for that. Lots of warning signs. Everybody knew, okay? It was spoon-fed, as we like to say. We said, all right, looking for long on SOL. We're looking for manipulation and then distribution. Okay. I'm going skating with family. Please be safe. Looking for a long on SOL. Approaching pink box. Here we come. 3-minute structure confirmation. The pink box asked me to stay this week, and then we were chilling. Okay. Looking to grab that liquidity out of the pink box last night, and we did. And we got a lot of goats in the chat. So lots of warning signs, lots of preparing you guys for the sweep, the weekend sweep. And we got it, baby. We got it. We got them. Too good, baby. I thoroughly enjoy watching everybody win. Everybody pink box emojis going crazy. which is lots of fun, man. Dave Digital, what's going on? Magic Mike, Wayne C. Wayne C, what kind of sandwich? I want to know. What kind of sandwich did she make you this week? It's Monday. It better be a good sandwich. Crisp sandwich. So weekly candle close was ugly, but it printed a green dot. Okay, so this is hopium here. Even though it's flattening out a little bit, this is still hopium. Green dot on the weekly. Okay. I don't even know why I haven't asked her. Aster can go away. Same with virtual. Green dot on the weekly. Money flow's coming down though. VWAP's flattening out, which is not a good sign. Okay. 3-day looks strong as well. A beautiful, beautiful pushback. However, bearish engulfing. Okay. Warning sign. Warning sign. Bearish engulfing. Pretty nasty. Okay. The daily trigger wave trying to print. Not the greatest. Okay. Not the greatest. Trying to print push back up here, but we have red money flow and VWAP trying to push back. So kind of caught in a pickle here. The 12 hour is starting to look better. VWAP crossover pushback. Okay. 8 hour as well. We need that money flow to come back up, but we have clipping and trying to push back in. The 4 hour money flow is rolling up. 4, 3, and 2, and 1. So the 4 is overextended to the downside. We're looking for a trigger wave to form, which could bring us into tomorrow. We could see more downside until tomorrow. The 3 hour, same deal. Looking for a trigger wave. Could bring us into tomorrow. 2 hour. Strength, but VWAP's coming down. Inward curvature. Inward curvature suggests down. Okay. Trigger wave. That's what we want to see. Upward curvature. So that could take us into end of day tomorrow. Okay. Big crawl down. Big liquidity grab up. Now rolling over this way, right? So, if this, then that. If this, then that, right? That's how we got to treat it every single day. So, conflicting 1 hour, 2 hour. 1 hour wants to roll over, 2 hour wants to continue to push, but they're both rolling over, which suggests caution, right? Caution, which is very important, okay? Ethereum rolling over. Solana's holding its ground here. Solana might be the short right now. Solana's holding ground, but it might be the short here if we push up and down. Bitcoin looking to bounce. Breakdown retest of VWAP. We could look for that short too. I'm going to go and get some more coffee, guys. I'll be right back, and then we'll jump into hopefully some trades. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel, hanging out. Where's the song? There's the song. We'll see. I'll be back.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Wow, Solana doesn't care, baby. Solana does not care. To the moon. All right. That's why you don't trade until you get a full cup of coffee in you. Whew. Bitcoin. Okay. Maybe Bitcoin's the play here because it's overextended to the downside. Missing our buy level file by a little bit here. Interesting. Solana at the highs. SFP. Like I said, I want to see Solana come up here. Damn, Solana, you look happy. Let's go. ETH trying to push back here. Okay. No trade. Bitcoin, nice recovery. Aggressive move through VWAP is typically bullish. We got aggressive move down and an aggressive move up. So it's conflicting. So we don't touch it. Okay. No touchy. No touchy. Conflicting. Yeah, come back down, Solana. All right. Good morning, Chantel. Crypto Billy in the chat. What's going on, Billy? Sorry I wasn't able to come through to your live stream last night, man. I was crazy busy. Hopefully you had a wonderful weekend. Hopefully you're excited for Christmas with the family. I bet you are, man. I bet you are. That's going to be fun, man. Exciting times. Bitcoin, nice push here. Oof. Nice push on Biddy. Possible continuation on Solana here. I'm hesitant. Okay, we wait. ETH pushing back. ETH looking very different. Solana looking very different than Bitcoin. So let's check our Bitcoin pairing chart here for a second here. This is something that you always got to pay attention to occasionally here. We can see that Solana is starting to outperform Bitcoin. Okay, so we can see that here clearly on our chart. It hasn't changed structure, but we do have higher lows coming in here, and we are trying to take this high currently. So it's trying to go, which is a good sign. Sign of strength here for the alts. ETH still doing its thing against Bitcoin, still looking strong as well. Okay. So potential rotation here. Dominance is still flat, which is fine. It just then totals 2. Total 2 and total 3. Lower highs, almost a higher high here. So not fully out of the woods yet, guys. No, still hanging out with John Denver there. So we'll retest our previous lows here. Continuation down, in my opinion. This is a dumpy pattern up top here. Like this typically breaks down. like this. You tell me. Bitcoin keeps ripping here. Nice push. Solana does look strong this morning. Bitcoin's got a push. Looking good. Still no trade. This is nice. So 12-minute bullish divergence, engulfing candle. This is strength for Bitcoin. Strong push here. Could take something like this. ETH trying to go? No. NASDAQ's pushing good. Nice push for NASDAQ. Where's the ES this morning? Trying to get my bearings here, really. It's a little bit mixed signals this morning. Not used to all the charts looking very different. This is climbing up. This is climbing up. 15-minute climbing up. Okay. Still downtrend, right? Still downtrend, order block retest right now. $12-minute looks strong. Money flow coming in. Green dot, printing, trying to push. V-shape recovery. No trade here. Still waiting. What's going on, Soprano? FJ, what's going on, man? How you doing? Traders in the Discord. FJ with the great call on TRB on the weekend as well. My God, the Discord just be printed. The Discord's on fire. Can we long Solana? You can do whatever you want, man. I'm just a hobbit here in Canada, hanging out. I'm just here trying to help you guys navigate the charts on a daily basis. The best Discord in all of crypto. 6 spots left. No more sale after that. Ho ho hold the savings event. Liquidity, order block. Rejection. I don't like it that much. I prefer Solana, but Solana's a top blast, right? And top blasting never makes you, it's risky. Unless you have the momentum and strength, which you do. You have the SFP, higher low, continuation out. You have strength, but it's not really trying to push here. I just wanted to take some liquidity here. So we got these highs to take here, and then we have these highs to take here. Stuck in the middle with you. I know Billy be singing that. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. How's the stream quality? Are we still healthy here? It says it's healthy. Good. 399 people here. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto Show. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., taking trades, showing you trades, all the good stuff, man. We're here doing it, trying to help you guys. Traders helping traders. Here every morning. Hopefully helping you guys navigate these charts, man. It's never easy. Prepared trader is a profitable trader, as we know. Yesterday night, man, we all hit the pink box. We all got long down here. Made lots of guala on the way up. I made like 8 racks or something like that on that. That was great. I got the alert. Then I went and I hammered the long with my son in my hand. I took profits early and I got out and I enjoyed the rest of my evening. Sometimes, there's I don't typically trade on weekends, but the last 2 weekends, I mean, we double dipped on the pink box last weekend, didn't we? We did, gang, didn't we? Absolutely. Last weekend, we triple dipped last weekend, so we got long here and we got short here. There was a pink box up here as well, guys. Okay, so we got long here and short here, and even some people got long here on the golden pocket retest. So we triple dipped. It was good, guys. It was a good pink box. So we triple dipped last weekend. Okay. And now we just did the single dip, one flavor, this weekend. So we crushed that one too. Okay. And then we have my God, TRB. Did you guys see TRB? Have you heard of TRB? FJ, TRB, woof, don't show him that one. Big old printing, woof. Signal in advance, my God. Brewberry. Brewberry with the long as well on the pink box. Look, he took the pink box too, guys. Brewberry with the pink box trade setup. 2 live streams this weekend too. Brewberry's overworked, but definitely appreciated. 8 traders helping you guys navigate these charts on a daily basis. It is the best Discord in all of crypto. Signals providers, setup guys, bat patterns, pivots, you name it. It's a good time, man. We have fun. If you do want to join, we have 6 spots left. Use the code BOOBS. What's virtual? Virtual's dying. Sorry about the alarm, guys. Virtual is approaching a buy level. We are looking for structure here. There's a gimme, okay? Looking for structure on virtual. Looks terrible. You definitely want 15, minimum 15 minute, even, I'd say hourly structure change. Yeah, don't touch virtual. Ooh, gross. Altcoins suck. Altcoins are shit. Oh man, we took virtual for a lot of money though. We took 15K out of virtual on spot, which is phenomenal. Downtrending momentum right now. Trying to push back here. Solana looking like the juiciest. Solana looks like it wants to go up here. Couple of sweeps of liquidity to come and get. No trade though. Coming into some volatility. Lots of news this week. Prepared for that. Just waiting here to see if we get an opportunity. Coming through VWAP, though. This is an aggressive push through VWAP. Looking for continuation here on Bitcoin. Pushing through VWAP. Trying to hold and continue. Back up. Threat of a rollover here, though. So lower highs, right? Not typically the nicest bottoming structure right here. So I remain cautious. Especially with the amount of liquidity we have below. Order block down here. Golden pocket. Liquidity down here. Trying to hold that psychological 89,000. Yeah. It's weird. We never swept this either. On that low. That's interesting. Could easily come back down for that. Patience here. Middle of this range. Choppy. Yeah, when we zoom out, we can see why are we getting resistance here? Well, this is clearly a retest of previous lows, right? We have retest in here, so we're trying to gain acceptance above that to push out, right? But this is a very trickle down all weekend, slap, go, okay? So typically you come halfway down the candle for a retesting, then continue if you're going to bottom out here, okay? If this, then that. So I would like a sweep below these lows in here. Break of that thing, and then we go like that. That would be ideal. Then we're range bound until the news tomorrow. Or we're going to come right back down for the lows. Liquidity in here. So needs to flip this. This is what needs to be flipped. Messiest charts in all of crypto. Man, your chart as a scalper should look messy. I mean, when you zoom out on the macro. Yeah, major resistance, right? Major resistance. Needs to kind of hold here and then flip the point of control, right? Needs to. Otherwise, we're coming right back down to this here at 87. And it's a quick drop, guys. So if we lose 89 here, we're down to 87 like that. Okay? Quick. Bingo, bango. I think Trade Intuition says bingo, bango. Shout out to T.I. Hopefully he's kicking ass too, man. This screams short, but I'm just naturally short, so I'm waiting here. What news are you talking about for tomorrow? Tomorrow we have inflation. We have non-farm payrolls, job reports, unemployment rate, retail sales, non-farm. Okay? All of that good stuff coming in tomorrow. That's important because jobs is like the main focus of the Fed right now. So that'll be important. Wednesday, retail sales. A little bit of a hump day, maybe midweek reversal, and then inflation data. And then guys, Friday, guys, carry trade, okay? BOJ, okay? Are they going to dump us? Very important. They are supposed to be hiking or cutting. Are they cutting or hiking? They're cutting. But Japan carry trade on Friday. Be ready for that. So this week's going to be a gong show. We might get a low this week. LJ short on Solana. Let's go, LJ. Send it to 0, man. SFP. My only concern is outperforming Bitcoin right now, so it's my only concern. Do you have bear divs here? Bear divs, but it is got more strength right now than Bitcoin, which tells me there's a bid for it, so it's not necessarily my favorite thing to short right now. Especially if Bitcoin bottoms here on VWAP. So make sure you pay yourself. Make sure you pay yourself. It's 9:01. Thank you everybody for being here. It's actually 7 o'clock for me. Why Solana outperform? It's a concern shorting it. When Solana's outperforming Bitcoin, it means there's a bid for Solana, right? It means that there's strength in Solana, right? So if Bitcoin's going to go up, guess where Solana's going to go up? Really up, right? So if Solana, right now, you can see Solana outperforming Bitcoin. We talked about this at the beginning of the stream, but you can see Solana starting to outperform Bitcoin, right? Strength in Solana. That's why the chart looks so different, right? Typically, Bitcoin dominance strong. Chart will look the same. That's why Solana's up at the top, up at the highs, and that's why Bitcoin is retracing. Okay, Bitcoin's retraced, Solana's still stuck at the high. So Bitcoin's done over since here, Bitcoin's done this, Solana's doing this. Right? So it shows me that there's someone or some bidding Solana up here. Right? Doesn't mean it can't dump. If Bitcoin dumps, Solana will follow, right? And it would be a more lucrative short because you are way up higher, so you could look to target way lower, right? If we're going to dump, which is possible. Maybe that's what LJ is thinking. Who knows? But it's still, for me anyways, it just means that you should be careful shorting this, especially you have higher lows all coming in here on the lower term time frames. But Bitcoin getting a little bit of a bid here off the slap of the VWAP, trying to continue up here. Nice candle, looking strong. Still no trade, guys, not for me. Nothing here, like a little bit of funky. Could have taken that slap here for a long. Okay, reclaim could have taken that for a long. Just wasn't, not clear in my opinion. Bull div, big order block in here, rejection. I want to see liquidity taken. Like there's no sweeps in here. This is all liquidity in here, and we haven't swept it. Even here, right? So until we take sufficient liquidity on moves like this, if we're going to come down, we got to take out some of the late longs, right? Not everybody's part of the Otter gang who all got long down here. These guys FOMO'd long up here. They woke up in the morning on their wanking chariots, and they're like, oh man, we missed the move. And then it's like, yeah, you did. Don't get long here. So it's coming back for late longs, in my opinion. We'll see if they survive or if we need to come lower, right? Maybe we do 3 drives here, right? If we start to break highs, break momentum, okay, we can look to flip long, possibly here. Yeah, so a little bit of patience. Very choppy here on Solana. Still waiting. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. God bless you guys. Hopefully you all had a wonderful weekend. Make sure that you guys say some prayers for those people in Sydney, Australia, and Bondi Beach. I mean, tragedy strikes again. It's a real shame to see something like that happen. Be grateful. I've been to Bondi Beach, I don't know, like 5 times. I loved Bondi, man. It's cool. Bondi is really pretty. But wasn't pretty on the weekend there. Me and my wife been to Bondi so many times. It was just a bus ride away. It was like a 20-minute bus ride away for us when we lived in Australia. Yeah. It's tragic, man. Tragic. Absolute twat, man. We have issues with Discord. Tony Soprano. Open up a ticket. Open up a ticket. Glad to help you. Nice slap here. This is a good slap. Looking to push. Slap and go here on Bitcoin. Considering a long here on Solana. Yeah, let's go on Solana. Oh, wait. Wait here. Wait here. Wait here. Waiting here. Oh, now my exchange is loading slow. What's going on? Trading View? Really? Trading View having a shite? All right. Sorry about that. Nice push. Downwards momentum rejection. Needs to bounce here. No trade. Good patience. NASDAQ continues to climb here. Expecting a gap up for the SPY this morning. Order block retest. Continuation up here. Order block retest. Continuation up. Possibility here. Trying to push. Yeah, I'm going to get long on Solana here. Let's go. I'm long. Stop loss to entry. TP1 hit. Push and Nambe Pambe. Up 260. Order block retest continuation trade. Looking for Solana momentum here. I'm going to go ahead and take more off here. Push. Don't be a bit. Up 668. See if we can come up here now. Let this run. GG's in the chat. We saw the strength in. We see the strength in Bitcoin. Order block retest continuation trade, right? You got your block here. First test is the best test, right? Here's your block right there. Holds the block and it slaps up. Look for follow through on Solana. That's the trade. That's the trade. You get the same kind of slap in here. I mean, very cheap trade too. Like your invalidation is this low, right? Very cheap trade. Just buying. That's strength. We talked about this on the Discord last week about buying strength. We could see the strength on Bitcoin, right? It's a quick scalp, quick $700. Start the day. Happy days. Happy Monday. Already. Always. All right. Risk-free trade now. Fastest hands in crypto. It's it's not the hands, Billy. It's the it's the monkey under the desk, man. Let's go, Soy Boy Lana. Can we all see the strength in Solana? Look at that, up $1,200. Let's go, baby. Bada bing, bada boom. Look at that. Beautiful trade. Up into our liquidity up in the highs here. This could run. Who cares now? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Gang, gang, gang. Look at. Do you see why we bought Solana, everybody? Do you guys see why we bought Solana? Bitcoin pair. Do we see? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oomph. It's got the oomph this morning. You know? It's got that oomph. Solana lana lang. Solana lana lang lang li lang lang lang. Oh yeah. I'll take 400 if it wants to give it to me. Here's a 400 right there. And it'll give me 1,500 for the morning. That's a beautiful, beautiful trade. Soul wrecked me. That's okay. It's a chop and pop, right? Chop and pop, baby. Let's go, Soy Boy Lana. Soy Boy Lana. Coming up into that liquidity up high now. Beautiful move here for Solana. Wow. All right, Solana. Let's not be too greedy here. Let's make sure we pay ourselves. Coming up into the highs here. No need to be greedy. Now take wifey shopping. All right, see you guys tomorrow. There's a Billy. That's a carpenter's wage. That's a carpenter's wage in an hour and 15 minutes work, man. For the week. for the week. Put a 1 in the chat if you got long. If you're long dong silver. Good times, man. I love hanging out with you guys, man. Am I supposed to shield the Discord now? Yar. That's what. Yar. Join the Discord. Long dong silver with AlexOCrypto. Long turbo. Okay, John. Oh, man. Good times. There is no stop loss. Okay, we've swept the liquidity of this high now, guys. I mean, it doesn't want to stop, but next stop order block. Beautiful recovery here. Look at Solana, man. Solana gives 2 Fs about your stop loss and your shorts. Sorry, LJ. LJ, did you close that short? Please tell me you closed that short, bro. Do we see the confluence in the Bitcoin dominance chart, guys? Do we see the confluence? I should not have taken profits, man. Oh. I'll add to the trade here. Adding to the trade. Happy days, guys. That is a very well executed trade, man. Happy days. I'll close that out there. If it wants to give it to me, give it to me, baby. Could have added here. Should have waited. That's fine. No one goes broke taking profit. Happy days, guys. That's a great start to the morning. That's a great start to the morning coming into our order block. Slap. Okay, beautiful trade. Beautiful confluence. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Great work. Give yourself a little pat on the back. Happy Monday. A quick little 1,500 to start the day. Keeps the doctor away, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, we got a break of the momentum here on Bitcoin. Looking to continue out. Breakout retest coming for the liquidity in the highs here. It's 918. Look at that. That's a good trade, man. That makes me happy. Everything, all the writing was on the wall there. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Tapping this block right now, but looks strong on Solana, man. No need to fade that. GG's, man. GG's, everybody. 500. How many people are in here? 478 people and only 171 likes, Billy. I guess they haven't gone to the Giver's Gain on Tuesday nights, and they got to learn to be grateful. I always hit that like button, man. And I'm a like button tapper. Beautiful push here for Solana. Breakout, retest, continuation trade here for Biddy. Looking to come for the liquidity in this high here. breaking that momentum, looking to come for this high as well. Imbalance is here, so let's go swing high to swing low. Yep. Resistance all in here. As we've already tapped our 618. VWAP reclaim retest too. Like VWAP reclaim retest, continuation out. It's nice as well. It's nice as well, but Monday false move, guys. So Monday morning pump is always caution. Okay, so now we prepare for dump, right? We've taken advantage of the price action this morning. Good job. But now it's, hey, don't get too cocky now. Let's be aware. Not bearish, not bullish. I'm aware-ish, right? We be aware-ish. We got to prepare again. So what are we looking for now? We're looking for retest to previous highs on Solana. Okay, continuation trade, level to level. Okay, hit our big order block in here. Imbalance, order block here. Resistance up at the highs here. Retesting this volume in here. So let's take a look just generally in here quickly. Yeah, that's our support level. We do have one up higher here. Value area high, 133. I'm not going to front run it that hard. No, not for me. We know retail's FOMOing in at the top right now, so that's not our job. Our job is to pay ourselves up at the top, and they can get wrecked. Okay. They can get wrecked, man. They can get wrecked. Thank you guys for getting those like buttons up, man. I appreciate it. How's the stream quality? Is it still healthy? It says it's healthy on my side. I guess we fixed it. Beautiful. All I did was on the Streamlabs, I think this is what helped. If anybody ever has Streamlabs issues, is I went to the settings here and then advanced, and then I prioritized it to the highest level. Priority. Look at that. Big dump on Solana. That's where you short it, LJ. When AlexO takes profit, then you short it. Okay. Humble pie for everybody. Round trip. Coming into market open. 7 minutes till market open. Big old humble pie dump on everybody's face. Coming back down to retest here. Right back to where we started. This is why I love being a scalper. Everybody who's like swing long here or long dong silver just got liquidated. Top blasting and not paying yourselves. That's why you always pay yourselves. Stream is hot. Great for me. Stream is solid as the pink box. Let's go, Bearded Mac Mike with the sweater buy on the pink box, man. Good job, Jay Violet, with the gold TP. Vegas, Ada, Skyry, Ramus, good morning. Good to see you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Otter, gang. Get yourself a new driver for spring. I already did, bro. Guys, I went and I got I already bought myself a Christmas. My wife is allowed to buy herself a Christmas present. And so am I. So I bought myself you know what word I can never spell? Titleist. I can never spell Titleist. I ordered a GT2, Titleist GT2, 8-degree loft driver head, $1,400 with a Ventus blue shaft. Okay, if you know golf, you know golf. Ventus blue shaft, like a $500 shaft. It's a good shaft, guys. Okay? Don't hate. That was my little present to myself, okay? Gangster driver. I hit this thing. I got it already, man. I'm cranking this thing out. I'm not hitting it as far as my other one, but I'm hitting it. My dispersion is a lot tighter. See, I can hit it 310 bomb, but sometimes it's 310 into the woods, which is shite. I'd rather hit it 290 on the fairway, right? So it's nice. It's nice to have. You ain't hitting it long because it's Titleist. I hit it high, man. I hit it high and far. That is my swing. I swing out of my shoes. I smoke it. High draw is like my game all day. Dave, are you short, man? I'm chilling till market opens, man. I ain't about to mess with market open. Whew. Look at that. She's nasty. Makes me want to long it. You're saying dump it. I'm going to long it. Breakthrough, view up, retest, continuation up. Retest to previous highs, continuation up. Yeah, this looks nasty. Big dump. NASDAQ rolling over too. Solana holds here, though. Solana holds here. It's going back up to the moon. I'm long Solana. I counter traded Dave, everybody. It's not financial advice. I counter traded Dave Digital. I just counter traded Dave Digital. Up $788. Counter trading Dave Digital. This is the setup. Bro. We're counter trading Dave Digital today. Send it to the moon. Oh, man. Sorry, Dave. Had to, man. Had to. Oh, baby. Let's go. Can we take it back up, Dave? Pump and dump, continuation. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin stalling out at VWAP. 30 seconds till market opens, everybody. Coming back down. Stopped out probably here, which is fine. This is the market is open. Let's go, baby. Rolling over here. NASDAQ pushing. Coming down. Probably going to stop me out here on our beautiful, stopped out here on Solana. Another 800-ish. Okay, 750. Sorry, 750. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Bitcoin. There we go, Dave. There's your dump, man. There's your dump, Dave. I still think Bitcoin needs to come down into here. Let's see if it does want to. However, we'll see. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, man. This is this is quite an active Monday, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. We've taken 2 trades. We're up a good old 14 something and 750 something. Nice start to the day. Nice start to the week. Okay, 2 nice trades. Taking that momentum. Okay, Bitcoin rolling over. I think. Don't start with I think. It needs to come here. It needs to come here. That means Solana needs to come down too. Solana doesn't care though. NASDAQ pushing up. SPY. Big gap to the upside, everybody. Big gap energy, okay? So a big target to the downside for us to fill this morning. So we could see a little bit of a rollover here, guys. However, we'll see. Market is open. Ding, 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 ding. Solana holding. Big point of control hold here. No trade. I had to counter trade, Dave. I just had to do it, guys. Could not hold myself back. Point of control, bounce level. It all made sense to me. I don't know if it made sense to you, but we got 500 people in here. Thank you guys for subscribing. Oh my God, we got 2 more signups. Oh my God, that means there's only 4 spots left for code boobs. My God. Pink box call, 8 traders. 2 more signups to the Discord. Thank you guys for signing up. Welcome. Uzma and Christos. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much for joining the family. Don't forget to get into those must videos. 8 traders. You're going to get analysis paralysis. So make sure you take your time. Enjoy. Welcome to the family. Code boobs. Use code boobs. There's only 4 more. 18. Yeah, that's not many spaces left. Am I doing a better job at selling it? I don't think I need to sell it. Ask the Otter Gang, man. Ask the Otter Gang. Ask them how good the Discord is. There's a reason why there's a spoon on my desk. Fucking spoon. Otter Gang, I owe you $100 too. You guys didn't let me do the giveaway last week, so we'll do that today. Okay, we'll do the giveaway today in the Discord live. Dave, good call, man. Good call, Dave. Coming down to these lows in here, trying to sweep. Got a couple sweeps in here. NASDAQ rolling over. SPY rolling over. Okay, good. Good. Let's go, baby. Nice dump. A lot of liquidity down below here, so could see 130 Solana if we do start losing strength here. Bitcoin coming down, sweeping aggressively. Whew. Look at this thing. Down we go. Down we go. Down we go. Down we go. Where we stop, only Dave knows. Only Dave knows. Dave, where are we stopping, man? Considering a short here on Solana. Looking for a rollover follow through here. If Bitcoin continues to roll over, Solana is probably the better short here. NASDAQ. Okay. It would look something like this if we can't see it. Nice bounce here. Bitcoin bouncing. NASDAQ bouncing. No trade here. Looking strong. Looking strong. Looking strong on Biddy too. Very nice push back here. Sweep of the lows, continuation trade, no short on Solana, invalidated. Looking for potential follow through here on Solana. Bitcoin retested previous lows. Strength in Bitcoin. NASDAQ, good strength as well. Let's go long on Solana. See if we can push here. Oh, man. Let's go, baby. Let's go up 3, up 5. Push. Push. Come on, Solana. 6. Up 4.5 on Solana here. Let's go, baby. What a morning. Woo! Sorry. Let's go. Otter gang, gang, gang. Damn. I'm up 4.5 grand on this trade. Here you go. My beautiful wife. What's all that yelling? All right, well, I'm taking the rest of the week off, everybody. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys on the next one. You got to be a bit bipolar to scalp. Oh, man. Good candle close, guys. Oof. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. $4,000, $1,500, $750. Let's go, baby. Who's doing it live in front of you? I don't know. Who's doing it live? Look at this shitstorm. Tony, you gonna trade the orb today, bro? Divide your orb in half is a good suggestion. Good suggestion. Okay, go from low to high here. Your 0.5 is right here. Damn. Solana paying the bills for the rest of the month, guys. Well, it looks like we're going up, in my opinion. Let's see if the NASDAQ can pop here. That's hands for me, guys. I'm going hands solo now. I've taken 5, 6. I've almost taken $7,000 out of the market today. I ain't gonna be greedy. No need to be greedy. I love volatility, man. Volatility could be my wife. VWAP and volatility, we could marry. This is an absolute gong show. Pay yourselves quick. Otter gang, 520 people on the live, hanging out. Dumping. Damn, this violent. Still liquidity down here at 130, so very possible. Long dong, schlong dong silver here. Hanging out, taking trades, kicking ass, taking names, all the good fun, man. Showing you guys the trades, taking the trades. Hopefully helping you guys navigate the chart. It's pretty sporadic here. It's not like I can give you a very clearly defined setup here. Just try to help you guys navigate. Good fun, though. Good fun. That's for damn sure. There's one thing we do have, and that is fun here. Love it. Love it, man. Was Piper on vacation this week? Does anybody know? Is Piper on vacation? When do you start trading on MOD? What's MOD? Am I being stupid? Orb is going to be going to the gyno. She's a big gap. Oh, man. Way too much movement, yeah. Okay. Alex, I have to let you know that you're already married. Yeah, thank God. Piper's in Switzerland. Must be nice. Yeah, Switzerland. Yeah, well, I could have paid for his... I should have paid for his trip, man. Sorry about the alarm, guys. Ass tear is on a tear. Everything's going to dump here. Lower. Except for Solana. Solana's going to stay up here probably. Bitcoin holding orb. Yeah. I mean, what do I do with these sell walls? It's just... This is pure manipulation. If the NASDAQ continues to roll over, do not long. We had a very aggressive bounce. That's why we long Solana. Ugh. Ray Orb is in. Okay. Thought she was in Dubai. I think that's Randy Hipper. I think she's in Abu Dhabi. You know? Abu Dhabi. Piper's at the moon. Piper's in Switzerland. We got Discord live today. Incredible trading day this morning. I mean, I'm trying to retire the bloodline. That's where we're at. Guys, do you want to know where I learned this all? Do you mind going over? Okay, we're gonna send you over to Matt today. Matt still hasn't. I'm sure Matt. Okay, Matt. I'm sure knows that he is my hero when it comes to scalping, but I don't know if he really understands how much he is my hero. There's kind of like Man Crush Monday here. Okay, it's kind of gay. Let's be honest, it's gay. Okay, but Matt over here. This is my Man Crush Monday, guys. If you weren't aware. Way better scalper than me. This is how I learned how to be patient, everybody. Make sure you go... we're going to send you over here after this. Trying to be patient here, guys. No trade. I don't know where OC is this morning. We're just chopping. We're chopping below the WAP, right? So we should be looking for shorts here. NASDAQ rolling over as well. Okay, Solana's coming down now. Okay, happy days. Patience here. Patience here, everybody. Crazy sporadic trading day, guys. I'm just glad we paid ourselves. Okay? I'm glad we paid ourselves. Up like 6, almost 7,000 today. Here we go. Dump it. Dump it, baby. Yeah. Needs to come for this low minimum here. Looking for that sweep here. Oh, orb slap. Orb slap, guys. We got an orb slap. Rotation down. I hope my wife makes me cookies today. We'll see. Solana rolling over. Yeah. Solana's rolling over too. Here we go. Down we go. Where we stop? Nobody knows. Just follow your nose. Toucan Sam. Coming for this low right here. Here we go. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Bitcoin dumping, baby. Look at that. NASDAQ. Little bounce here. You see how good the target works, guys? See the recovery we get? The confluence. As Army Piper would say in Switzerland, confluence. What language do they speak in Switzerland? They speak German? Tony, you should know. 4 languages. That's too much for me, man. Switzer Dutch. Switzer Dutch. Guys.
Zusammenfluss. Zusammenfluss.
We got Susan's floss, guys. Susan's floss is confluence in German.
Zusammenfluss.
Suzanne uses floss.
Zusammenfluss.
We got confluence. Suzanne and floss.
Zusammenfluss.
Let's go. Good Suzanne and floss in here. That just means Suzanne wears a thong. Suzanne and floss. Great Suzanne and floss here, guys. You guys should all be short. Coming down into our buy level here. Suzanne and floss, guys. Make sure you guys all use Suzanne and floss here, guys. There's good Suzanne and floss here for a buy. Bounce. Oh, nice bounce here. Let's go. That's good Suzanne and floss. Maybe I'm going a bit too far with the Susan floss. Nice buy level here. Value area low retest. Continuation down. No trade. Bounce continuation. Bounce continuation. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Got 500 people in here. How many trades today? 3 trades, $1,500, $700, $4,500. A great morning. Hopefully you're all having a great morning as well. Guten Morgen, Suzanne and Floss, whatever you're into, man. Thank you for supporting the channel. Hanging out here. God bless you guys. I do appreciate you guys smacking like button, subscribing, all that stuff. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., taking trades, showing you trades, all that stuff. Trying to make crypto honest again, which is impossible, but we're doing it as best as we can, guys. So a little bit of patience here. This looks like it's rolling over. And join the Discord, man. We got 8 traders in our Discord. Signals, setups, long, shorts, pink box. Caught the long last night right here. Okay, we were all waiting for it last night. We all caught the pink box. We all had a nice, I almost said orgy, but I just said it anyways, so who cares? Beautiful. Nice rollover here. Very, very, very aggressive scam wickety, wickety. Why not? Take a little stab here on Solana. See if Solana can roll over here. No? Oh, yeah. There we go. Another one. Another one. Just taking the wick test back in, back down. Solana for another $1,400. Damn. Just printing today. Just printing today. Just like that. It feels stupid today, guys. It feels stupid. If you don't know, if you haven't watched the Solana masterclass video, you got a retest of support and resistance here. So you slap it and you go down. Bitcoin's rolling over like a madman. So it's just continuation trade. Look at the perfect test into here. You press short. Okay, quick rollover into 130. That's where we're looking to go here. And it goes, but I don't need to be greedy today. I took the money and ran. Okay. Look at this thing. Oof. Down we go. Where she stops, pink box only knows, guys. Big old humble pie here for Bitcoin. Solana. Another one. GG's in the chat, guys. Another one. I can't math it today, guys. The math is just on fire. Beautiful. Very happy today. We got a Discord live today. We can talk about how I've entered these trades, but I think it's pretty apparent and obvious. But I really need you guys to go over to my Man Crush Monday guys stream and throw otters. Like as many otters in his chat as possible till he's annoyed. Okay, and he doesn't get annoyed. He's like so stoic. So go over to Trades by Matt. Guys, it's been a ball today, man. We've had way too much fucking fun for trading. Trading is serious. Take it serious. Manage your risk. Use good risk management. Take high probability trades. God bless you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting this channel. I'll see you Discord members later on today. God bless you and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard.